Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up the RDP from your Kubernetes cluster to Windows machine or any Linux box. So let's begin, right? So guys, what I've done, I've created a repository for you guys. And this repository is not new. I've already made the videos regarding the custom desktops in Docker and Kubernetes. So guys, what I've done, I've added one YAML file here. So if you scroll it down, right, scroll it down, and this is the Ubuntu desktop YAML, right? So guys, what you need to do, simply copy this guy and you need to add this file in your, you can create a YAML file or simply, I'm using Lens, I'm going to create one resource here. So you need to click this plus sign. Either you can definitely create a resource, or if you're using terminal, you can do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this file here, right? So let me do that. And one thing regarding that, guys, I'm using the GK clusters. So this is my GK cluster. When I navigate to workloads, currently there is no workloads, and it is a sandbox environment. I do have a Windows machine as well, right? So I'm going to connect with that Windows server. And this is very useful and powerful in a way that if you want to do some, work on your Windows machine, or maybe you want to do administration or your on your Windows server, definitely you can use Kubernetes. And if it is in your network, you can simply create this temporary pod, do RDP, do your work, and simply destroy it. So let me do that part, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a resource, right? So I'm going to simply update that. So currently, guys, I don't have much resources on my sandbox environment. What I can do, I'm going to reduce some of the resources here, right? So let's do that. I'm going to set it to one. In fact, I don't have much resources, so CP is going to be 0.5, 0.5, which is 500 millicore, right? So let's do that. You can definitely set according to your need, but this is the one I'm going to set it up, right? So let me do that, and that's all you need. And one more thing regarding the shim, scroll it down. So this is the memory, Docker shim, which is the shared memory, right? So I'm going to set it up to 2048, or you can set up to 2 GB. 2048 is the 2 gigs. So let's try to create it. Name of this is going to be this, and okay, I'm going to add one more part here. Right, let's try to create it. So namespace is going to be default. You can set it up. Set in your default namespace. So you see it is running. So let me do the port forwarding. So let me do that, and let's do the port forwarding to any random port on your local machine, right? So it will not work. I intentionally want to show you. So I'm going to simply close it, and in fact, I'm going to get rid of port forwarding. Let me navigate to this section. I'm going to show you. Um, Navigate to the network section, navigate to the port forwarding, and click this guy. So guys, what you need to do is to make sure, click this guy, and once you do the port forwarding, you should use HTTPS, because the PNC is going to be available on this port. So you see, now we have output here. I'm going to proceed. The username is going to be chasm user. This is the default, right? And the password is password. Right, I'm going to do sign in. So you might see, it is going not to load. You just need to do little refresh because of the some of the network. So you see, this is the chasm BNC. Let it open and wait for a while. So I'm going to do one more refresh, right? And you will see that Ubuntu box with all the, application already installed is going to be shortly available, right? So you see, this is our Ubuntu box. We have all the stuff available here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click this guy and I'm going to allow, and then I'm going to put the IP address of my Windows server. In your case, it is going to be definitely internal from the security perspective, but I'm going to use the public RDP temporary box Windows Server 2019, and let's do that. So guys, this is the detail of my Windows RDP server. Let's try to copy this guy. And regarding the copy pasting, you need to just make sure you paste the right stuff. So if I paste it and this is the IP and simply press enter, right? So it is going to connect with that remote server. It is going to ask for the password, username and the password. So I'm going to provide this detail cloud user. So I'm going to paste it here, and regarding the password, so let's try to paste it, copy this guy and paste it. If you want to save the information, you can do that. So let's try to connect with this guy, and let's wait for a while. So you see, we are connected, and regarding the size management regarding that, so simply what you can do, I think you can click this guy. It will resize, and in fact, I think it should be it should be this one. Yeah. Now you have Windows Server available, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete that directory or whatever I want to do. You can simply do that, and if you want to simply do resize and all the stuff, you can play with it and do your work, right? So these are the namespaces available here, and this is our, if you want to do some different work, you can do that. And let's try to do, okay, mm, let's try to quit this application, and you can do reconnect to that as well. So simply you need to do reconnect, and again, I'm going to put the IP address, right? And let's try to do that one more time. So guys, that is how easy it is. Even if you have your Ubuntu machines with the desktop, you can do that. OpenSUSE, whatever you want to do, you can do that. So I'm going to now, instead of pasting, I'm going to type here cloud user and press tab. And simply now I'm going to do the last time take RDB session into my Windows 2019 server. Click this guy, right? Okay, and toggle dynamic resolution, right? And you can definitely adjust the screen according to your needs. Let's do that. So, see guys, this is how easy it is from your Kubernetes cluster to connect to Windows RDB server. And you have different namespaces. If you want to do different work, you can simply do your work. And this is the namespace which is active regarding your work. So let's try to create one directory here. And if you want to run some scripts, do some administration, you can do that. Let's try to create a folder which we have deleted, or definitely you can restore it as well. Uh, that is it, guys. Right, and what we are going to do once we do our work, we and we don't want to, keep this guy available. So, and once our work is done, we can simply get rid of this pod as well. So get rid of it. I don't want it. So our job is done. Simply get rid of this guy. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.